Grilling has never been more effortless and enjoyable than with the Vayepro 15-serving electric grill. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional grilling methods and welcome a world of convenience and flavor into your kitchen. Whether you're cooking for a couple or hosting a party, this electric grill is designed to make your grilling experience a breeze. From the moment you plug in the Vayepro electric grill, you're just moments away from sizzling steaks, mouth-watering kebabs, and delectable grilled delights. With its rapid preheating feature, you'll be ready to grill in just 10 minutes. The non-stick grill surface not only ensures even cooking but also means you can use less added fat, making your meals healthier and cleanup effortless. Here are the key features of Vayepro Electric Grill Outdoor Electric Barbecue Grill. Impress your guests with abundant grilling space. Get ready to cook for a crowd. The Vayepro Electric Grill boasts an expansive 240 square inch circular grilling surface, allowing you to grill over 15 servings at once. Whether it's a family gathering or a backyard party, you can easily whip up delicious food for your guests, leaving everyone impressed with your culinary skills. Tailor your grilling experience with precision. With the adjustable temperature control and temperature probe, you have the power to choose the perfect heat setting for any type of food. The grill cover ensures rapid and even heating, while the venting system effectively dissipates heat, ensuring your food remains tender and juicy. No more guessing games. Achieve perfect grilling results every time. Safety first. Grilling made simple, safety is paramount, and the Vayepro electric grill delivers on all fronts. The innovative rotatable venting system ensures a charcoal-less and propane-less grilling experience, eliminating the need for fuel and preventing flare-ups. Enjoy hours of worry-free grilling with your family and friends, knowing you're in safe hands. Easy cleanup for more grilling fun. After indulging in a delightful meal, cleaning up has never been easier. The extra warming rack, drip tray, and non-stick grill pan are all detachable and dishwasher safe, ensuring quick and effortless cleaning. Alternatively, the durable non-stick surfaces can be easily wiped down for fast cleanup. Spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying your grilled masterpieces. Peace of mind with our warranty. At Vayepro, we stand by the quality of our products. Enjoy the 30-day money-back guarantee and an 18-month warranty by registering with us. The Vayepro 15-serving electric grill is not just ideal for outdoor grilling, but also perfect for indoor use, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. With its foldable warming rack and spacious grilling surface, you have the power to create an array of scrumptious meals for your loved ones. Elevate your grilling game. Get your Vayepro electric grill today. Upgrade your grilling experience with the Vayepro 15-serving electric grill. Embrace the ease of electric grilling, the joy of flavorful meals, and the convenience of hassle-free cleanup. Whether it's a cozy dinner for two or a festive celebration, this electric grill is your ultimate grilling solution. So why wait? Elevate your grilling game and bring the art of grilling to new heights with Vayepro.